let's start the DC generator. That is important. That is types of DC generator. So there are two types of DC generator. One is a separately excited DC generator, and another is self-excited generator. In separately excited generator, that means separately field is excited by the external devices. That is battery, the other sources. Here types of DC generator. So there are two types of DC generator. First is separately excited DC generator. That means when the field in DC machines, one is field, other is armature. This is your field winding. This is excited by the, that is V matlab voltage and matlab field voltage. This is F and this is double F. This is excited by the external devices. This is armature. Here is the load. Okay. In case of DC generator, taking the current, that is IL. Here armature current IA. Here armature resistance IA. And EMF generated EG. Okay. From this diagram, this is separately excited DC generator. From this diagram, EG equal to, that is EMF is generated, that is this is your terminal voltage V. So this is useful voltage, जो use करेंगे हम लोग, and plus this drop, that is IA RA, plus in DC generator या DC motor there are two brushes. Here this is brush, this is brush. Here is also drop, that is BDV. BDV means brush drop voltage. So this is your brush drop voltage. Next, second one is self-excited DC generator. There are three types of self-excited DC generator. Three types of self-excited is series DC, series generator, DC shunt generator, and third one is DC compound generator. DC compound generator. In case of both the motor, that is separately and self, you use the self-excited DC generator, because in self-excited, that means field and armature are, that means armature, that field is separate, not separately excited, but self-excited. That means connected in series, yeah, otherwise connected in parallel. That means energize itself. Okay. So now first discuss the DC series generator, where you use the probably use this one self-excited. Why you not use the separately excited? Because for the transportation problem from one place to other place, it is very difficult to place from one place to other place. So this cannot be used probably. This is most rarely used. That is self-excited DC generator. First we discuss the DC series generator. Okay. Then DC shunt generator, and then DC compound generator. The DC shunt series generator, when the DC series generator, when the field and armature winding are connected in series, is known as DC series generator. This is your terminal voltage. This is your field, that is R, S, E. R मतलब रेसिस्टेंस, SE मतलब सीरीज, RA that is armature resistance, here that is armature current IA, here that is IL, and here is the EMF generated EG. And from this diagram, what is the value of EG? From this diagram, IL that is load current, IA equal to IL. IA is the armature current, IL is the load current. How to find IL, that is load current? We know that load power PL equal to V into IL. From this, PL is the load power. That means what is the requirement of your, and therefore IL equal to PL upon V, that is load power upon voltage. या दूसरे टाइप कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, that is V upon R. तो IL जैसे ही हम लोग फाइंड कर लिए, that means armature current IA equal to IL, because armature and field are connected in series. Okay, and this, from this diagram, what is the value of EG? EG equal to, that means EMF जो जनरेट होगा, that is equal to, this is your useful voltage जो आपने यूज किया, plus this drop plus this drop. And in any machine there are two brushes. Suppose 1 volt per brush is given, that means 2 into 1. Okay, so EG equal to V plus IA RA plus IL equal to IA, that means IA into RSE plus brush drop voltage, that is BDV. Okay, so this is your EMF generated for the DC series generator. Next, second one is DC shunt generator. In case of DC shunt generator, when field and armature are connected in parallel, that means shunt. Here we draw the diagram. This is your armature and this is your field. R मतलब resistance, SS that is shunt field resistance. This is armature current R, and this is your voltage V, that is terminal voltage. Here armature current IA, and here IL, and here ISH, that is shunt field current. From this diagram, what is the value of, here is the EMF generated. What is the value of IA? IA, that is IA equal to this current plus this current. IA equal to IL plus ISH, where IL equal to, in field here that is same in every generator, that is PL upon V या V upon RL. And what is the value of ISH? From this diagram, here voltage is V, here voltage is V, because in parallel voltage is same, that means यहाँ से और यहाँ देखेंगे तो voltage कितना हमारा V, that is यहाँ भी voltage कितना होगा V, that means parallel voltage same होगा, तो ISH की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, ISH equal to V divided by RSH. Okay, now what is the EMF generated equation? Similarly apply KVL here, that is clockwise direction, या otherwise EG equal to जो हमने ये यूज किया voltage plus this drop and plus brush drop voltage. Here there are two brush, the EG equal to V plus IARA plus BDV, that is brush drop voltage. BDV means brush drop voltage. When the voltage is given 1 volt, that means 2 into 1. Okay, so this is EMF generated equation for the DC. This is your DC shunt generator. This one. Third one, that is DC compound generator. Okay, understand? And third one is DC compound generator. DC compound generator, there are two types. Compounding में that means shunt को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, compounding करेंगे, that is short shunt and long shunt. Okay, the DC, third one DC compound generator. So there are two types. One is long shunt DC generator. Second one is short shunt DC compound generator. In long shunt, that means shunt को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, long, that means when external resistance are connected in armature circuit, यहाँ हम लोग external resistance connect कर देंगे किसके साथ, armature के साथ, and this is your shunt, that is R S H, this is your R S E, because armature के साथ किस में है, सीरीज में, इसलिए हमने नाम दिया R S E. Here क्या होगा हमारा, टर्मिनल वोल्टेज V, here that is armature current IA, यहाँ पे क्या होगा IS H, and here IA. From this diagram, what is the value of IA? That is same thing, IA equal to IL plus ISH. And what is the value of ISS? That is V, here is the V, V divided by RSH. ISH equal to ISH equal to V divided by RSH. And what is value of IL? IL is the same, that is PL upon V or V upon RL. यदि load resistance given है, that is V divided by RL, या PL upon, that is load power divided by voltage. Okay. And what is the EMF generated equation for long shunt? EG, from this diagram, EG equal to, for this, EG equal to voltage V plus IARA plus IARSE plus brush drop voltage. Here is the brush. Okay. So this is EMF generated equation for the DC long shunt DC generator. Second one is short shunt. The other time we have. Now we start the next one, that is short shunt DC generator. In short shunt DC generator, field is shorted, that means shunt field. Okay. Here shorted, that means this is shorted. Along में हम लोग क्या करते थे, लंबाया. ठीक है, तो दिस इज शॉर्ट शंट डीसी जनरेटर. दिस इज RSS शंट फील्ड सिस्टम, दिस इज RSE, and this is your voltage, terminal voltage. Here RA, this is your ISH, here IA, and here IL. Here what is the value of EG? First find the value of armature current. IA equal to IL, this is IL plus ISH, IL plus ISH. And what is the value of IL? IL that is same, that is IL equal to PL upon V और V upon RL. जो हमने बाकी सब में यूज किया वही चीज हमारा यूज होगा, that is IL लोड, क्योंकि लोड तो हमारा वही रहता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ ISH? यहाँ तो वोल्टेज नहीं है V, दैट मीन्स यहां से यहां वोल्टेज, बिकॉज इसके अक्रॉस जो वोल्टेज होगा डिवाइड बाय RSH, तो इसके अक्रॉस वोल्टेज क्या है, दैट मीन्स यहां से लेके यहां तक, दैट इज ISH इक्वल टू V प्लस ILRSE डिवाइड बाय RSH। ओके, ISH इक्वल टू यहां से यहां का वोल्टेज हम लोग देखेंगे, दैट इज V प्लस ILRSE डिवाइड बाय RSH। ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ EG? EG इक्वल टू V प्लस IARA प्लस ILRSE प्लस ब्रश ड्रॉप वोल्टेज। ओके, so this is your for DC short shunt compound generator. No problem, based on